Okay, this is Annette. This is a continuation from the previous video on how to find a lawyer. So I'm going to take Brooklyn out. I'm going to put in New York because I know in Manhattan there has to be more than just 4 hits that will come up. Okay, and I can probably find the one that I need to show you something on. Okay, let's just go with this guy. Biography. This is an important area because it tells you what he's done since he's been admitted. He was admitted in 1983. This tells you all the high points in his career. And I like to look through here because sometimes you'll look through and you'll find that he was a former prosecutor. To me, this is a good sign because that means he knows prosecutors. Not to say that maybe he'll get a better deal for you, but I always feel like if he worked on the other side and now he's a lawyer, I feel like that's the extra added, bit for him. And then the other thing I like to see is sometimes you'll look in here. Let me click on another one. Sometimes you'll also find that they clerked for a judge. I'm just going to pick this guy here. I like to see that too, that you clerk for a judge, because again, my thinking is, using the judge's chambers for X amount of years, you probably know a lot of other judges too. You probably have good relationships with judges. That could be beneficial, right? That's what I think. Okay, this guy has a very extensive bio. So I would read through here and I would just find out if there's something in here that could possibly help me. And then I will call him. So I make a list of people that I'm going to call, just based on, going through some of these guys that I find on this site. Martindale's always been very helpful for me. Now, this is just a starting point. I want to say this. The best way, the absolute best way, is if you have word of mouth referral. If you know somebody that's used an attorney and they're referring that person to you, that's always a good look. Then another thing is if you're in the town, because I've had to look for attorneys for people in other states. You don't know. Somebody may call and say, look, I'm over here in Tennessee. I need to find a lawyer. This is what I would do first. But like if the person is in New York and they want me to help them find a lawyer, what I do, the best thing to do, I don't know if I would do it because it's very time consuming, but if that's somebody close to you, you go to the courthouse. You go to the court. You can just walk in during any, proceeding and just sit down in the back and you can observe and you can listen. And you want to just see the mannerisms and the vibe, and if that attorney seems knowledgeable on the person that they're defending, if he cares, and just go up to him after, as he's walking out in the hallway, and just ask him for his card, and ask him, run it by him, what you might be interested in him for, and see what his feedback is. The other thing is, there'll be other people, sitting in the back, waiting for their case to be called, or you'll see them go up and listen and see if they have a public defender or if they have a paid lawyer. And if they have a paid lawyer, ask them how they found their lawyer. Ask them afterward. Go out in the hallway when you see them leaving and try to talk to them there and just get some feedback. And that person probably was incarcerated at least for a day or two before he got out and had to retain a lawyer. He's heard some names tossed around inside. So you want to do that. You want to talk to people and you'll find yourself a good lawyer that way. Okay, I'll be posting other videos, so check back. Bye. Thanks for your time, and I hope this was helpful. Matter of fact, leave some posts and let me know if it was.